Hey everybody, this is the ice storm, February 11th, 2021 in Shelbyville, Kentucky. Man, I bet we got about a half an inch of ice. And we're going to take a little ride and check things out and see what everything looks like. They've been salting and scraping the roads all night, so the roads actually look a lot better than they did this morning. They look pretty good, but I'm sure there's some ice spots. And slick spots out on these roads. But a half an inch of ice is almost crippling. There's a lot of people that doesn't have power, that doesn't have electric. Alright, so it looks like probably the in-town roads is going to be good, but it's the country roads that aren't so good, because this road here looks horrible. And I do have front-wheel drive, but not even four-wheel drive is any good on these ice covered roads. But it's so pretty. Just look at all the ice on everything. I mean, we really got it. These roads are slick. They're really slick. And we're supposed to have nothing but freezing cold temperatures the next several days, so this shit's not going to thaw out very easy at all. But I wanted to come out this way first with all these trees that cover the road and get some video of it because it's so pretty. But isn't that beautiful? Oh, it's pretty as can be. People have to buy straw to feed their animals, their livestock, because everything's so frozen up. We'll go up a little further and then we'll go through town. see what the town of Shelbyville looks like. Yeah, these roads are really slick, really bad. I mean, they are ice. I could just feel my car just sliding just because it's the ice pushing it. Alright, let's turn around and head to town and see what downtown Shelbyville looks like. Yeah, this shit's slick. It's solid ice. It's pretty, but I hate this stuff. I take a nice, sunny, warm day any day over this shit. Just covered in ice. So anyways, I started my YouTube channel not too long ago, and I don't have a lot of content yet, but I want to also start doing a lot of prank videos. And so I want to ask everybody that views my videos to please give me a like and a subscribe so I can build a fan base up and get my subscribers up there pretty good, where I've got a good fan base and can eventually get monetized. And to get monetized, you've got to have 4,000 view hours and 1,000 subscribers. So I want to ask everyone that will, that is going to watch my videos to please at least subscribe and give me a like, so I can get my fan base going really good. Something, it's a dream of mine that I've been wanting to do for a while now, and there's a lot of YouTubers that are making nice livings to great livings off of their videos, and that's where I want to be at within the next 7 or 8 years. And that's why I want to ask all of y'all to please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you've got any ideas for content that you might want to see yourself, let me know, and I'll go film it, or I'll come up with it, But I ask you to please subscribe to my channel so I can get my fan base built up good and get monetized in the next few months or maybe a year. Sod trucks sitting out in the field, they're not going to be cutting any sod for a while. It's going to be a while for this ground really thaws out and dries up enough where they can get out there and cut. And right now, no one's going to be needing any sod anyways. Alright, so we're entering into the city limits of Shelbyville, Kentucky, and the roads in Shelbyville aren't looking as good as I thought they would look either. This is a major thoroughfare, and it really isn't no better than what my subdivision looks like, and they haven't even touched my subdivision. But yeah, these roads they're terrible. Like I said, a half an inch of ice is about what we got, and a half inch of ice or even a tenth of an inch of ice can really cause a lot of issues as far as people driving and power outages and stuff like that. These roads and parking lots and stuff, you can scrape and ice, but I tell you, it takes a lot of work to get this ice up. Snow isn't too bad. And most businesses and stuff today is probably going to be closed. This is the main thoroughfare that runs through the state of Kentucky, which is called US 60, and it looks a lot better than some of the other streets, but this road here carries millions of travelers a day across the state of Kentucky. And we're now coming into downtown Shelbyville. See, there's a salt truck. Looks like he's about out of salt, but he's been out working all night long. But downtown Shelbyville it's a pretty town. It's an old town, but we'll see if there's any trees down. Usually this kind of weather usually brings trees down, at least 1 or 2 trees in downtown Shelbyville every year that it does this. I swear, every time they pave Main Street and Washington Street, especially Main Street through Shelbyville, they dig the damn thing back up right after they pave it, and it just stays a total mess every year. You would think when they pave it, they wouldn't be digging it right back up and tearing the street up, but they do. not seeing any trees down yet. But it usually is always, you know, some trees or big limbs that usually are down when we have really bad thunderstorms or big ice storms like this. But it looks like that, from what I can see, that there ain't no trees or limbs down right here through town. So maybe some of these homeowners and business owners and stuff have gotten lucky. They don't have to get out in this cold and cut those up and dispose of them. Passing the Shelbyville Jail or Police Department and Perry's Auto Sales. If you need a car, I don't think those guys are open today. It looks like they're closed. Like I said, there's a lot of businesses that probably aren't going to be open today because a lot of people have a hard time getting out because they live so far out in the country. And I can only imagine what the roads look like out there. You see those trees there are really hanging over towards the road from that ice. Just look at all that ice on those trees. It's beautiful, but man, it's a nightmare. Absolute nightmare. But it looks like for our area that the ice storm is going to be over. Thank God. We didn't need any more ice for sure. Something that's really neat about Shelbyville is that castle looking building is the old jail. And believe it or not, there's been 2 or 3 people that's been killed in that jail. A couple of them were jailers, where somebody snuck pistols in to the inmate they was wanting to bust out, and the inmate, you know, had shot I know one jailer was killed there, and I'm thinking it was maybe 2 of them years ago. Slick right there. I don't know what this guy's doing. Sitting right in the middle of the damn road. I guess he's salting and going to try to clean up the parking lot to the old school there that's now the part of the Board of Education or Shelby County Schools. They use it for something. I don't really pay attention to what they've used it for. But good thing is, not a lot of people out on the road, so looks like a lot of people have decided to adhere to the warnings and advice to stay off the roads until they can get them cleaned up good. That big church you see there to the left is First Baptist Church, and then here is Shelby County Fairgrounds here to your right. But the steeple was torn off of that church when I was a young kid years ago. A big tornado came through and went over the church and tore the steeple completely off of it. They had to rebuild it and put it back on the building there. Alright everybody, I'm going to end this video, but please like and subscribe to my channel so I can get a good fan base going and get enough subscribers and watch hours to get monetized within the next few months or year. Thank you all. Be safe and have a great day.